In the quaint coastal town of Serenity Bay, there lived a humble fisherman named Captain Jack. His weathered hands told tales of countless battles with the mighty ocean, and his eyes reflected the wisdom gained from a lifetime at sea. Captain Jack was not just a man of the sea, he was a master navigator of the mind, possessing a mindset that turned challenges into triumphs. Every dawn, Captain Jack set sail on his trusty boat, Endurance, embracing the unpredictable dance of the waves and the whispering winds. His life was a testament to the power of mindset, a compass that guided him through storms and serenity alike. One stormy morning, as dark clouds gathered ominously overhead, Captain Jack felt the weight of uncertainty in the air. The sea, once a familiar friend, transformed into a formidable adversary. Undeterred, he tightened his grip on the helm, and a calm determination settled over his face. In the face of adversity, Captain Jack's mindset became his most valuable companion. As the waves grew in intensity, crashing against the sides of the Endurance, doubts crept into Captain Jack's mind. The sea, unforgiving and relentless, seemed to challenge his very existence. Yet instead of succumbing to fear, Captain Jack leaned into his mindset, reminding himself that storms were temporary and his resolve was enduring. The story of Captain Jack is a lesson in resilience, a reminder that mindset is the true compass that steers us through the tumultuous waters of life. Just like a sailor relies on the constancy of the North Star, Captain Jack navigated through uncertainty by anchoring himself in a positive mindset. In the heart of the storm, Captain Jack discovered the strength that lay dormant within him. Every wave became an opportunity to learn, every gust of wind a chance to adapt. Instead of cursing the tempest, he embraced it as a teacher, molding his mindset into a force that could weather any storm. As the storm subsided and the sun began to pierce through the retreating clouds, Captain Jack emerged from the ordeal with newfound wisdom. His resilience became a beacon for others in Serenity Bay, a living testament to the transformative power of mindset. The tale of Captain Jack carries a profound message for us all. Life, much like the sea, is unpredictable and full of challenges. It is our mindset that determines whether we flounder or flourish in the face of adversity. Just as Captain Jack navigated the stormy seas with grace, we too can navigate the challenges of life by cultivating a positive and resilient mindset. Mindset, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of daily life, is the silent architect of our reality. It shapes our reactions to setbacks, influences our decisions, and ultimately determines our success or failure. Captain Jack's story urges us to become the masters of our mindset, to embrace challenges as opportunities, and to see setbacks as stepping stones to greatness. In the tranquility that followed the storm, Captain Jack continued his seafaring journey with renewed vigor. His mindset, the compass within, continued to guide him towards uncharted waters and untold adventures. The lessons learned from that stormy morning echoed in the conversations of the townsfolk, inspiring a collective understanding that mindset was the true captain of their destinies. As we navigate the vast ocean of life, let us take a page from Captain Jack's book. Embrace the storms that come our way, for they are the crucible that shapes our character. Cultivate a mindset that thrives in adversity, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. Just as a skilled navigator adjusts the sails to catch the wind, let us adjust our mindset to harness the power within us. In the grand tapestry of existence, each of us is a sailor on the sea of life. The compass within us, our mindset, determines the course we chart and the destinations we reach. Captain Jack's journey teaches us that with the right mindset, we can not only weather the storms but also sail towards the sunrise of our dreams. So, as the sun sets on Serenity Bay, let us reflect on the story of Captain Jack and the enduring power of mindset. In the ebb and flow of life, may we navigate with purpose, resilience, and an unwavering belief that our mindset is the true compass that guides us through the vast and wondrous seas of our existence.